Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going through SQL joins, but this isn't just a walkthrough. It's a hands-on practice session designed to help you understand joins by solving a few questions on the platform HackerRank. I have attached a link in the description. You guys can go there and try to solve these questions alongside. So let's get started. So after coming to the SQL section, let's try to solve this first question. In this question, we have two tables, city and country. The question is that we're given the city and country tables. We have to query the sum of all the populations of all cities where the continent is Asia. Now you can see that city is mentioned here and country is mentioned here. So we have to first perform a join between the two tables. And then we have to find the sum of all the population of the cities where the continent is Asia. So first let's select sum. The population column is located in the city field. So let's give a name for the city table as C. So C dot population from city C join the second table, that is country, and let's give it a name as CO on. What is the common column between them? The common column is country code in city table and code in country table. So it will be C dot country code is equal to CO dot code. We are not done yet. What was the criteria? The criteria was that we have to find the population of all the cities where the continent is Asia. So we have to write where to filter out the data CO dot continent is equal to Asia. Now, if you run this code, you can see that we're getting the output. The output is this. Now, let's look at another question. In this question, we're given the city and country tables again. We have to query the names of all the cities where continent is Africa. So first, we have to select the city name, and city name is available under the city table. So let's write select C dot name. We're using the alias C for city and CO for country. From city C join country CO on. What is the common column? The common column is country code and code. So C dot country code is equal to CO dot code. And what is the condition? The condition is that the continent has to be Africa. So continent is available again in the country table. So CO dot continent is equal to Africa. Now if we run it, you will see that we are getting all the names of the cities where the continent is Africa. Now let's look at another question. We are again given the same two tables, but this time we have to query the names of all the countries and their respective average city populations, rounded down to the nearest integer. So at first, let's select the continent name. So write select CO as an alias for country, continent, comma, average of C dot population. And here the question is also asking us to round down the number. So we will use the function floor. From country CO join city, the name for city will be C here, on C dot country code equal to CO dot code. And since we are finding the average, we'll also need to use group by. So write group by. According to the question, we have to group by using the continent name. So CO dot continent. Now let's run this code, and you can see that we're getting all the continents and the average city populations respectively. Since our first select statement is the same, that is CO dot continent, instead of CO dot continent here, we can just write 1. If we write 1, it will refer to this only. And if we write 2, it will refer to this. Now let's try to run it and see if the results are same or not. So let's try running the code. And you can see that we're getting the same results. And that's a wrap on a hands-on SQL joins practice. Remember, the key to getting comfortable with joins is consistent practice. So keep experimenting with different scenarios. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more data tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.